What's going on, you guys? Sorry for the echo. It's like 35 degrees up there and I refuse to open these doors. So we're here at my dad's garage. This is Toby. This is my dad's dog. I actually grew up with this guy. He's 8 years old now. He's a good boy. But here in my dad's garage, because here in my garage with my books. But here in my dad's garage, because one thing I haven't done for you guys in a long time is give you a Cobra update. And you good? And a lot's been done to this thing since the last time you saw it. Last time you guys saw it, it was literally just a body sitting on a frame with some wheels kind of pushed up against it. And haven't gotten to get over here and show you guys a whole lot. Shout out to my dad for getting pretty much everything done by himself, because he's the only one that's got time to come over here and do it. Luckily, my work schedule is getting a lot lighter, so I'll be able to get over here. And we're, I wouldn't say, we're getting close to the home stretch yet, but we're getting close to getting some big things in. So I'll show you what we've got done to it and then where we're heading next. So let's start up at the front. The headlights and turn signals in. Apparently headlights are courtesy of Harley Davidson, building on a budget. Nice job, Papa Craig. Coilovers, we should have coilovers in the next few weeks. So I actually have full suspension front and back. So steering rack is in, steering column is in. Coming back a little bit further, we've got a dashboard and it's just kind of in there. Steering wheel, obviously this steering wheel will get changed, it's just right now. He has made the foot boxes, so those are both done. Looks like he's started getting the pedal assembly in, so that's cool. We've got these super sweet seats. Very good looking, brand new looking too. Let's see, it looks like he's started the transmission tunnel. Look how I'm just like guessing at things. He's gonna make fun of me for this, but so this is our doors. It's unfortunate because we're gonna end up having to retape this every time we try and get in the car, but just kidding. We've got hinges coming and door pulls coming also, so the doors will be mounted the correct way. Coming back here, we've got engine, which is upside down currently. Transmission, so we've got all that going, ready to go. There's the other door, there's the carb, and yeah, there's a dog again. So this thing's coming along, man. So next thing we're doing is we're not far from getting the engine put in, and I will start showing you guys more Cobra stuff. I promise. I want to, because I want to be part of more Cobra stuff. I just haven't been able to get over here as much as I wanted to. But Cobra's still going, still rocking. I know my dad's freaking loving it. This has been his a dream of his for a long time. And check out my dad's garage real quick though. So I don't get to get over very often, but this thing's sweet. Too much winning. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this quick little update. I promise you, as we get more Cobra stuff done, I will be over here and I will show you guys what we're doing, how we're doing it, and be part of it a little bit more and show you guys a little bit more of how this thing's coming together. Budget's still going great. This should be one of the cheapest Cobras that's ever been built, and but in a good way. Cheap with a lot of really, really, really good parts, and hopefully, I think the goal is to have this thing maybe running, not driving and done, but maybe start it by the end of the summer. Just depends on how much time we can put into it between my schedule and his schedule. We both work, full-time jobs, so finding time to come work on a car is tough, but he's getting a lot done, and I'm excited to I think the engine's gonna go in pretty soon, and we'll start mocking with the engine mounts and getting those going, and he might have engine mounts in already. Yes, he's got engine mounts in right here, and then whatever else mounts onto it. Yeah. It's crazy the fact that you're building a car, and the cool part about me is, I've always had a general knowledge of car stuff. Like, I can do some things, with enough YouTube help I can figure it out, but there's a lot of stuff about cars that even I don't know, that it would be cool, getting to help finish this with him, because it'll teach me a lot. So anyways, super excited for this. I think it'll be cool once it's done, and yeah, appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Toby, say something. You go, oh, oh.